Hello students, our today's topic is park document. What do you mean by park document? When when parking documents, the system assigns a document number via the document type in the same way as with normal financial accounting posting. The user must pass the number by it has been assigned externally. You can park document for customer accounts, vendor accounts and GL accounts. Park documents can be completed, changed, posted or deleted at a later point of time. No data such as transaction figures, for example, can be updated when parking documents. When parking documents, the respective department must also make sure that if desired, the park documents are completed in order to run them into proper financial accounting posting for the posting deadline. The data of park document is available to the system for real-time evaluation. In this way, the amount from park document can be used, for example, for the advance return for tax on sales or purchases. A park document can also be posted using workflow. Cross company code transaction can also be park. Only one park document is created in the initial company code for such transaction. That is, two documents with a cross application number are then created as usual when posting. Neither transaction figures, assets values, etc., nor control totals are updated when securing park document. No automatic postings are created either. The balance is not checked, it is displayed in the document overview of the park document, however. Charges can be made as often as required in parking document. Multiple changes are also possible. Dates, amounts, accounts and account assignment objects, for example, can all be the change. However, document type, document number and currency cannot be changed. The park document functions are more effective than the whole document function. Dual control, for example, is performed in a number of companies as a result of being able to park document. Responsibilities can be clearly defined and displayed by means of authorizations. You can also set the procedure for setting the posting date by T-code OBD1 or by path. SAP is the Assets, Accounting, Financial Accounting, General Ledger and Document Entry, or SAP is the Assets, Accounting, Financial Accounting, General Ledger, Document and Park Document. So we will post or delete the single screen transaction by FV50 or by path. SAP is the Assets, Accounting, Financial Accounting, General Ledger, Document, Park Document or post or delete single screen transaction. SAP में देखते हैं. SAP is the Assets by FB50 हमने देखा था. यहाँ पर आप पार्क कर सकते हो. या इन डॉक्यूमेंट park document FBV0 for post or delete. This is, and for posting FV50. यहाँ पर हम एंट्री करते हैं. फिलहाल ट्री ऑफ कर देते हैं. डॉक्यूमेंट डेट मेंशन कीजिए. हम डेट दे देते हैं अगेन अप्रैल 20th अप्रैल 2024. 20th April 2024. Enter ledger, bank ledger, debit, enter amount 500, period adjusted, okay. हमारा पोस्टिंग डेट और डॉक्यूमेंट डेट अलग अलग होने की वजह से वो पूछ रहा है, तो ओके, जस्ट प्रेस एंटर. Now select here cash ledger, credit for copy star, press enter. And now enter reference deposit cash. और यहाँ पर देखो सेव पार्क डॉक्यूमेंट, तो ये एंट्री पोस्ट नहीं होगा, पार्क डॉक्यूमेंट में सेव होगा। तो जस्ट क्लिक ऑन इट। ओके, हमारी एंट्री पोस्ट हो गई। कम बैक।